Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the features, design, performance, and everything you need to know about this latest addition to the Samsung Galaxy lineup. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, which stands for Fan Edition, is a smartphone that brings flagship-level features at a more affordable price point. It is designed to cater to the needs of the tech-savvy audience who desire premium performance without breaking the bank. Let's begin with the design. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G follows the design language of its predecessor, the S21 series, with a sleek and modern look. It features a large 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with slim bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. The display supports a full HD Plus resolution, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. The device has a glass back with a matte finish, offering a premium feel and reducing fingerprints. Moving on to the camera department, the Galaxy S21 FE 5G doesn't disappoint. It boasts a versatile triple camera setup on the rear, including a 12-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. This combination allows you to capture stunning photos and videos with great detail and clarity. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for those high-quality self-portraits. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 processor, or Samsung's Exynos equivalent in some regions, ensuring snappy and responsive performance. With 5G connectivity, you can experience lightning-fast internet speeds and seamless browsing. The device comes with ample RAM and storage options, allowing you to multitask effortlessly and store all your favorite apps, games, and media files. Battery life is always a concern for smartphone users. Thankfully, the S21 FE 5G packs a generous 4,500 mAh battery, which should easily last you throughout the day. Additionally, it supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when needed. Let's not forget some other notable features of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. It includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure unlocking, stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it suitable for everyday use without worrying about accidental spills or splashes. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is a feature-packed smartphone that offers a compelling package at an affordable price point. It combines a sleek design, powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and a long-lasting battery, all of which are essential for a satisfying smartphone experience. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the S21 FE 5G is definitely worth considering. That concludes our in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let us know your thoughts on the S21 FE 5G in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.